Hello everyone. So we have this interesting question from algebra where we need to find the value of x. This is the equation given to us. In the very first step, what we can do is we can cross multiply these terms. Yes, we can cross multiply them, and what we will get? We will get 6 times 1 upon x plus 1 upon x plus 1. On the other side, we will get 7 times 1 by x plus 1 by x plus 3. Now we can expand these brackets. We will get 6 upon x plus 6 upon x plus 1 is equals to 7 upon x plus 7 upon x plus 3. Going ahead, we can interchange the terms. We can send 7 upon x plus 3 on the left side, and we can send 6 by x on the right side. So let's do it. So once we interchange the terms, I mean, we send them on the other side, what we will get? We will get 6 upon x plus 1 minus 7 upon x plus 3 is equals to 7 upon x minus 6 upon x. Now we can take the LCM and solve both the sides, solve them independently. We can solve the left hand side and we will get 6 times x plus 3 minus 7 times x plus 1, and the LCM will be x plus 1 times x plus 3. On the right hand side, we will get 1 upon x. Yes. Solving it further, expanding the bracket, we will get 6x plus 18 minus 7x minus 7 upon x square plus 4x plus 3 is equals to 1 by x. Now simplifying it further, we will get 18 minus 7, that is 11. 11 minus x upon x square plus 4x plus 3. This is equals to 1 by x. Now we can again do cross multiplication and we will get x times 11 minus x is equals to 1 times x square plus 4x plus 3. So if we simplify this further, we will get 11x minus x square is equals to x square plus 4x plus 3. Now after this step, we will bring all the terms on the same side. So let's see what we will get. We will get 2x square minus 7x plus 3 is equals to 0. Now we will go for middle term splitting. In middle term splitting, we will get 2x square minus 6x minus x plus 3 is equals to 0. Now we'll factorize this. We will get 2x, x minus 3 minus 1, x minus 3 is equals to 0. Now what will be the factors? The factors will be 2x minus 1, x minus 3 is equals to 0. Now what can be the two values? One can be 2x minus 1 equals to 0, or the other one can be x minus 3 equals to 0. So from this we will get x equals to 1 by 2, or from this we will get x equals to 3. So there are two possible values of x. Either it is half or 3. These are the two possible values of x that we will get by solving this equation. So x is either half or it is 3. This is our final answer. I hope you enjoyed the solution. If yes, please like the video, subscribe the channel and share it with your friends. Thank you.